Kansas City is starting off the holiday season by hitting a sobering milestone. More than 1,000 people have now died in the Kansas City metro during the COVID-19 pandemic. As of Thanksgiving Day, 1,003 people have lost their lives. That number includes Kansas City city limits, as well as its suburbs in Missouri and Kansas. Cases in the U.S. are now nearing 13 million. It comes as the country sees the most travelers since the pandemic began, despite warnings from officials to stay home. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
COVID-19 surging across the U.S. A record 90,000 Americans hospitalized with the virus, according to the COVID Tracking Project. Deaths on the rise in nearly every part of the country.
They're seeing death every day. We're seeing people dying, and in the past we have one patient dying a week, two patients dying a week. Now we have 4 or 5 dying every day.
An inside look at Mercy Hospital in Oklahoma, where the hallways are packed and the staff is under strain.
Back in April, we just had one hallway on the floor that had COVID patients. Now we have 4 hallways worth of patients with COVID.
One Texas county reporting for the 4th time this month that they have no available ICU beds. And there's growing concern things may get worse after this holiday week, with many gathering indoors and traveling to see family. Several states reporting a record number of new infections the day before Thanksgiving. The CDC predicting the U.S. death toll could top 321,000 over the next 3 weeks.
What we don't want to see is yet another surge superimposed upon the surge that you just described, which we'll realize 3.5 weeks from now if we don't do these public health things.
For weeks, public health officials warned not to travel, but more than 6 million people still flew for the holiday, tens of millions more on the roads.
Certainly those who have decided to travel are going, instead of on maybe a beach vacation, they're going home to their hometown.
Though air travel is down dramatically from last year, Wednesday saw the most people screened at TSA checkpoints since the start of the pandemic, more than 1 million.
In a new report, a CDC researcher says cases may actually be 8 times higher than reported here in the U.S., estimating nearly 53 million total infections from late February through September. Breaking down the numbers in both Kansas and Missouri now, Kansas has a positivity rate at 18.6%. In Missouri, the positivity rate stands at 19.7%. The Jackson County Health Department is offering free COVID-19 testing all next week. One change to note, though, they will not be taking any walk-ins. You have to have an appointment. On Monday, the clinic is in Lee's Summit. Testing wraps up on Friday in Raytown. The health department has all of that information for you on their website. Funeral services have begun for 2 members of the Kansas City, Missouri Fire Department who died from COVID-19 complications. A visitation is being held right now for communications specialist and paramedic Scott Davidson. Services are happening in Wichita. His funeral will take place tomorrow morning. Visitation for Captain Bobby Rocha will take place Sunday from 1 to 3 at the McGilly Funeral Home off Northeast Vivian Road. His funeral will be held Monday morning. Services will be private, but they will be live streamed on the funeral home's Facebook page. Well, the FDA could be authorizing a coronavirus vaccine in the next few weeks. The agency is holding an emergency use authorization meeting for Pfizer's vaccine on December 10th. A decision is expected within weeks, possibly days after that meeting. So far, Pfizer is the only company to apply for an emergency use authorization. There are also new questions about a third COVID-19 vaccine created by AstraZeneca. An ABC News report says the company had a manufacturing error. They acknowledged the problem, saying some vaccines didn't have the right concentration of medication, so some volunteers got a half dose. For those, the shot was shown to be 90% effective. The participants who got 2 full doses only saw 62% efficacy. The manufacturing problem has been corrected and the trials continue. We continue to follow new developments, numbers, and mandates. You can count on KMBC 9 News for full coronavirus coverage. Look for those updates on air and online at KMBC.com and our KMBC 9 News app.